So there are two accounts that is affected in this fifth transaction. First is purchase or goods account. Second is Mr. X. Okay, so purchase is a real account. Goods came in, that is debit. What comes in, credit what goes out. Mr. X is a personal account. Mr. X is a giver of goods. Hence debit the receiver, credit the giver. Hence Mr. X should be credited. Just in any case, it is very tough for you to understand. I recommend you hold on tight and use this cheat sheet right here and solve these examples by yourself to understand a bit more and to gain a proper, transparent, clear water understanding. And in case this all is a bouncer right now, you should go check out the golden rules lecture. And in case that golden rules lecture is also a bouncer, you should go check out the basic account terminology, or you can just use the resource file. So let us go into Tally right now, and let's put this entry right here. Okay, so accounting vouchers, as you can see right here, I have to choose purchase. So I can either press F9, or I can click on this tab right here to make this window as a purchase window. Okay, so let us enter F9. This right here says this is our purchase voucher 1. This will be automatic. Supply invoice number. It can be anything that is on the invoice of Mr. X. Party account name. As we have to put some other account. We have to put the name of Mr. X right here. But as you can see in the list of ledgers, there is no Mr. X. So how do you do it? Either you can go back and create the ledger of Mr. X and put it into the group of creditors or current liabilities. You can use that group hack sheet, or I'm going to show you a little shortcut right here which you can directly create ledger from this window. Alt plus C. So let us try and enter Alt plus C, Alt C, Alt C. Okay, so this now has prompted us with the same window of ledger creation that we would have gone into and made that trouble. So let us enter the name of Mr. X, Mr. X. Okay, no alias, capital account. As Mr. X is someone, our supplier, and we have money due to him, so we'll name him. We'll list the group as sundry creditors. Okay, bill by bill, yes, bill by bill. Country of Mr. X. Okay, accept. Okay, so the ledger is now created, and yeah. Okay, just a second. Right here, click on no. Go to this section right here. Oh, go to accounting vouchers again. 02 date, enter. As you can see, when you click on the party's account name, you can see Mr. X name right here. So we'll click on Mr. X. Other reference, it has all the tally already selected it previously, but to explain it to you more clearly, I choose on to creating it once again. Other reference, no, we don't have any other reference. Suppliers detail, address of Mr. X, no, we don't want to put it. Enter, keep entering. Purchase ledger, which ledger do you want to credit? That is purchase ledger. Name of the item that we just purchased. Okay, so we have name of the item that we purchased, that is microphone. You can create your own item. Let's see if Alt C can do and create our own item. Yes, we can create our own item. So to create a microphone, we need cable. Hence, let us create cable, and it has already selected cable right here. How much did we pay to Mr. X? 2000 due. Okay, purchased on credit from Mr. X. You can write anything here for your future reference, except let us now check the balance sheet and let us check the effects of a balance sheet. So right here is a current asset. Closing stock of a current asset. Okay, cable of rupees 2000 came in and microphone went out, hence of 2500, hence it is minus. It should not be minus. This is basically a defect in the question, that's why, but let's ignore it for now. And you can see right here is a current liability column, which is sundry creditors, Mr. X. So as we have defined the group of Mr. X as creditor, it has classified into sundry creditors and then further classified into the main head, that is current liability, and that all those current liabilities goes into liabilities. 2000 here increased, 2000 here decreased, hence the balance sheet is balanced as 12,000 and 12,000. Okay, 2000 here also increased as we have received this asset.